Welcome to Improve Instantly. How to build trust in a relationship. In today's video, we're diving into how to build trust in a relationship. Whether you're looking to strengthen your bond or rebuild trust, this video will provide you with the tools and insights you need to succeed. We're here to help you overcome common trust issues and achieve your goals with practical, actionable advice. Stay tuned till the end for a quick actionable cheat sheet on how to build trust in a relationship. Section 1. Why this topic matters. Understanding how to build trust in a relationship is crucial for creating a healthy and lasting partnership. Many people struggle with trust issues, which can lead to misunderstandings, conflicts, and emotional distance. For instance, studies show that trust is a fundamental component of a successful relationship, influencing everything from communication to intimacy. By focusing on building trust, you can foster a stronger connection and a more supportive environment. This section will explore why addressing trust issues is essential and how it can lead to significant positive changes in your life. When you prioritize building trust, you're not only improving your relationship but also enhancing your emotional security and well-being. Imagine the impact of feeling confident in your partner's reliability and integrity. This can transform not only your relationship but also your overall happiness and peace of mind. 8 essential tips for building trust. Communicate openly and honestly. This tip helps you build a foundation of transparency and understanding. For example, make it a habit to share your thoughts and feelings regularly, and encourage your partner to do the same. Keep your promises. Implementing this will show your partner that they can rely on you. It's particularly useful for establishing consistency and dependability in your actions. Be reliable and consistent. Here's why this is important for fostering trust. Consider how showing up for your partner consistently can create a sense of security and stability in your relationship. Show vulnerability. This approach improves emotional intimacy by allowing your partner to see your authentic self. By using this strategy, you can deepen your connection and build mutual trust. Listen actively. By applying this, you can show your partner that their feelings and perspectives matter. Think of it as a way to demonstrate respect and empathy in your interactions. Apologize sincerely. This tip will assist you in addressing mistakes and misunderstandings constructively. An example of this could be acknowledging when you've hurt your partner and making amends. Be transparent about your intentions. It's crucial for preventing misunderstandings and building trust. This method can help you communicate more effectively and avoid hidden agendas. Support each other's independence. Incorporating this will show your partner that you trust and respect their individuality. This technique is great for creating a balanced and trusting relationship dynamic. Section 3. Overcoming common challenges. Even with the best tips, challenges can arise. Common obstacles include past betrayals, miscommunications, and unmet expectations. For example, a previous betrayal can make it difficult to trust again, leading to ongoing tension. To tackle these, consider having open conversations about your concerns and working together to rebuild trust step by step. Addressing these issues head-on will ensure you make consistent progress and achieve your goals more effectively. When past betrayals affect trust, take the time to understand each other's perspectives and feelings. Rebuilding trust requires patience, consistent effort, and the willingness to forgive and move forward. Quick actionable cheat sheet: how to build trust in a relationship. Communicate openly and honestly. Keep your promises. Be reliable and consistent. Show vulnerability. Listen actively. Apologize sincerely. Be transparent about your intentions. Support each other's independence. Conclusion. To wrap up, remember that how to build trust in a relationship is all about fostering transparency and reliability. Incorporate these tips into your routine to see real improvements in your relationship. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.